Did you know that Ghostbusters superstar Ernie Hudson isn't just a two-time cancer survivor, but also a 78-year-old who looks like he's barely 45?
In 1998, I was diagnosed with prostate cancer. 2011, I was diagnosed with rectal cancer.
Sounds unbelievable, right? But trust me, the man is defying age, and today I'm going to show you how. Ernie's journey isn't just about acting or surviving cancer. It's about overcoming the odds and finding a way to thrive, no matter your age. And just like any hero, he followed a path, faced challenges, and discovered secrets that transformed his life. His story is one of dedication, resilience, and yes, a few surprising life hacks. They're so easy to follow, you can start doing them right away. But here's the thing, there's a universal problem we all face. We follow strict diets, we hit the gym, and yet we don't see the results we're hoping for. What's missing? Well, Ernie has a fitness hack that solves this, and you probably never even thought about it.
Diagnosed with prostate cancer. 2011, I was diagnosed with.
So stick with me, and I'll walk you through his 3-step routine, plus that game-changing hack. Before we dive into Ernie's secrets, make sure to like this video and hit that subscribe button. You're not going to want to miss this, trust me. First, it all starts with a solid gym routine that he sticks to, no matter what. Ernie works out with his 20-year-old personal trainer 3 days a week. His routine is a well-oiled machine. Monday is all about coordination and balance. Wednesday is Pilates. Friday is dedicated to strength training.
I'm at a point where I have to do something, but I'm not a gym rat.
But it's not just about these 3 days in the gym. No. Ernie's fitness regimen doesn't stop there. On his off days, when most of us are thinking about a nap, he's still moving. He walks at least 30 minutes a day. If he misses a gym session, no sweat. He cranks out 100 push-ups instead.
The exercise I've done since I was in grade school is push-ups. When I can't get to a gym, I will do at least 100 a day. I won't say how many times it takes me to get to 100, but at least 100 push-ups.
And when he's traveling, he doesn't let it slide. Ernie's hotel rooms become his personal gym, where he jumps rope, planks, and does crunches. The man is always moving, always pushing himself. We're not even close to done. Wait until you hear about his hydration and skincare routine. Ernie is also big on staying hydrated, wearing sunscreen and moisturizing. That's right, he's all about taking care of his skin. Oh, and here's a fun fact. He teams up with his wife to hit 10,000 steps a day. How cute is that? But here's the real kicker. He powers through 100 to 150 push-ups in just 3 sets. And no matter what, his Fitbit is on and constantly tracking his steps. The dude is unstoppable.
I will walk to 10,000 steps at least.
Now that Ernie's in the gym and staying active, let's move to step 2, where we will see what Ernie puts into his body. Most people think someone as fit as him is probably eating 3 square meals a day, but no, that's not Ernie's style. He's a big fan of intermittent fasting. That means he doesn't eat until noon.
I don't eat normally before noon.
And you might be thinking, wait, how does that work? Well, studies show that skipping breakfast helps digestion and keeps your energy steady throughout the day. And Ernie's living proof of that. So, while most of us are scrambling for breakfast, he's thriving without it. Pretty impressive, right? But when Ernie does eat, he keeps it simple and nutritious. His go-to meal is oatmeal.
This is the one thing I can cook because actually
it's easy to make and packed with fiber and nutrients that fuel him for the day ahead. The guy's got a secret. He doesn't go for fast food, only indulging once every 8 or 9 months, no joke.
I don't eat fast food.
And when he's craving something different for breakfast, he prefers eggs or salmon. Both are loaded with protein and healthy fats. Especially salmon is an absolute powerhouse for heart health and brain function. Plus, it helps reduce inflammation. It's no wonder Ernie feels sharp and energized after his meals. So, what's always in his fridge? Hard-boiled eggs.
Staples do you keep in there?
Hard-boiled eggs. I like hard-boiled eggs. There's some regular eggs too.
Ernie swears by them as a healthy snack. Packed with protein, vitamins like B12 and D, and healthy fats, hard-boiled eggs help keep him full and satisfied. Simple, but powerful. And speaking of snacks, Ernie also enjoys a handful of popcorn, string cheese, or crackers.
Some crackers.
You know, because even the healthiest routines need a little something indulgent from time to time. For dinner, Ernie sticks to whole nutritious meals like vegetables and potatoes. but he's not afraid to indulge in a steak now and then.
Dinner is usually salmon. There's always vegetables, potatoes. If I do eat out, I'll probably order a steak.
And when it comes to comfort food, peanuts are his go-to.
Nuts, especially pecans. You see, I got my little nuts display over there, and I'll put that in my morning protein drink as well.
They're crunchy, full of protein, and just plain satisfying. It's all about balance, right? Now here comes the real magic. This is the part of the hero's journey where the hero discovers their ultimate weapon. For Ernie, that's his supplements. And no, I'm not talking about quick fix trendy pills. Ernie's supplement game is a solid, effective routine that keeps him at the top of his game. First up, he starts with vitamin C and B12. These helps boost his immune system and keep his energy levels high. Because who has time for sluggishness, right? Then he adds apple cider vinegar to the mix. It's a metabolism and digestion powerhouse, definitely a supplement favorite for a reason. For extra heart and brain power, Ernie relies on coenzyme Q10.
My immune system, nobody ever said I need it, but it must work pretty good. Fiber, gummies, immune gummies, some more immune. And fish oil, I gotta get some of that too. And viscous, this is really good for something. Men's 50 plus, that's me, I gotta get some of those. Oh, and then of course,
It's great for cardiovascular health and keeping your brain sharp. And don't forget the fiber gummies. Yep, they're a must for maintaining good digestion. Ernie also takes fish oil to get those all-important omega-3s, which support everything from heart health to brain function. But wait, there's more. Ernie also loves his hibiscus flower supplements. They help keep his hair, skin, and nails looking amazing, giving him that healthy glow we all want. And since Ernie's over 50, he takes a multivitamin, specially designed for men his age, to make sure he's covering all his bases. Here's the moment you've all been waiting for, the fitness hack that makes all the difference. If you've been jumping from one diet to the next, trying every new trend, and still not seeing results, Ernie has the solution. And it's something most people completely overlook, that is, consistency. That's right, it's not about the quick fixes or the latest trendy diet. It's about sticking to a routine that works for you and committing to it long term. Whether it's your workout, your meals, or your supplements, don't quit and don't give up. Ernie Hudson's dedication to fitness and wellness is truly inspiring, showing that age is no barrier to a youthful and energetic lifestyle. If you're motivated by his journey and want more tips on staying fit and healthy, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more life-changing inspiration to help you live your best life.